Typing of the Dead 2 Overkill also gives you House of the Dead Overkill, and it's probably one of the easiest games to get up and running for any kind of light gun you get for your PC. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and just load the game. We'll show you how I set up my Sinden Light Gun. Then we're going to play some gameplay. I'm then at the end of the video going to share with you my thoughts, but at the very end of the video, I threw in some Typing of the Dead anyways to show you what that's like, but the story mode is similar.
Sega.
The Typing of the Dead. Overkill.
Safety's off.
Let's go.
So for this, we're gonna play Overkill. Let's go ahead and plug in our gun. Okay, we're starting the software. I wanna go ahead and play with the borders. Let me, the thicker the border, the better it is. The blue border is pretty good as far as performance I found, but it's a little too wide. Let's try, I guess we gotta go to probably windowed mode. Okay. Okay. So we're windowed mode, 1080p. Let's go back. It should be working now. Now we see the gun here. Okay. It tells you right here, so left click is fire, right click is grenade, middle wheel is swap weapon. So those are gonna correlate to whatever you have it set up in the app. So like, for example, right now in the app, that's in button assignment, mouse left, mouse middle. So on the rear left side, I have the scroll wheel, cocking mechanism will be my right mouse, my grenade fires my mouse left. So that's pretty good the way I have it set up right now. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Alright, so now we're on the House of the Dead, we're on normal, continue. Looks like we only have one gun.
What's up?
Look at these headshots. Alright, so you get the idea. House of the Dead, Overkill. Really cool game. Full 1080p experience here. You could probably run this on a big screen TV, no problem. As you can see, the thicker the border, especially the brighter it is, you want the thicker border. If I turned out the lights here, it would ruin the video quality here, but it would definitely work better. But really, really accurate stuff. I didn't turn off my crosshair. I imagine you can probably turn off your crosshair in this game, but really cool. I wish this had recoil. That's one thing I feel like is missing from this experience. So I really do wish this thing had some recoil, especially in this game where like the shots are just so satisfying, like the headshot. I really think that would be a big improvement. This is one of those games where if you get the Sinden Light Gun, just go get this game on Steam really quick, or you can probably download it somewhere if you really want to. But grab this game. It uses your mouse, so there's really little to actually set up on your computer with this. So as far as getting gaming as quickly as possible with the Sinden Light Gun, or the aim track light gun even, just go ahead and grab House of the Dead, Typing of the Dead, which comes with House of the Dead Overkill for free within the game itself. I think it's like $20 on Steam right now. But there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. But pretty cool game, and there's like all sorts of add-ons. So you can go to the gun shop, upgrade your guns. There's a story. It is a lot of language and blood, as you saw. So keep that in mind. It's not necessarily kid-friendly. But that's what I think. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
What in the motherfucking hell?
Whatever it is, just shoot it. There's a gap.
Get out of my head, you motherfucking freak! Not so fucking clever now, are you, bitch?
I left this footage in here if you wanted to see what typing of the dead was like.